Red Division hockey today. Anthony Wayne taking on BG. First period, Shane Kaysen pounces on the loose puck, trickles in. Bowling Green with a 1-0 lead. That'd be the score for the first period. In the second, Bobcats heat up on the power play. Kaysen centers to Cooper Feehan, gets the goal, and it's a 2-0 lead for Bowling Green. Later in the second, now 3-0, even straight. Caden Wisniewski keeping the puck in BG's end, just throws it on net, and it goes in. It's all Bobcats today. In the third, Kaysen and Braden and Loomis on the 2-on-1. Over to Loomis, another one for the Bobcats. BG wins 6-0. Kaysen, a 4-point night, 2 goals and 2 assists in the win.
Yeah, the power play started off pretty bad at the beginning of the year, but things are just starting to click. We have 2 pretty good units out there that can score goals at any time, so it's starting to click and it's working.
And meanwhile, he didn't have all that busy a day today, but having Sudlow back in goal when things do occasionally break down, he seemed very calm the whole way through.
Yeah, Gavin keeps us in any game, and I think he's the best goalie in the league right now, so if we have him in net, we know we have a really good chance of winning the game.
With more from this one, we turn to Ben Wilcox and Matt Crandall.
Back here one final time from Slater Family Ice Arena. Bowling Green, big 6-0 win over Anthony Wayne. Ben Wilcox here with Matt Crandall. Matt, Bowling Green now, after maybe a bit of a rocky couple of weeks, seem like everything's really clicking for them.
3 big wins this week for Bowling Green. Northview 5-1, St. John's 5-2, and now Anthony Wayne 6-0. The offense is clicking, the defense is playing real well, and they're getting that solid goaltending from Gavin Sudlow.
And one of the big differences that can really carry a team into the playoffs, into the division playoffs, into the state playoffs, are special teams, and everything looked about as solid as it really could have out of the Bobcats today.
Well, they have a lot of guys that can do it 5-on-5 or shorthanded, but Cooper Feehan today on the power play, 2 big goals, seems to be a power play specialist. So, yeah, if you go in the penalty box against Bowling Green, you're going to pay.
Now, meantime, too, they got bailed out a couple of times early on, and then during a couple pretty good Anthony Wayne power plays as well, too. But by Gavin Sudlow, who is a very steady presence, very easygoing, and someone that has got to be a good calming presence coming through the last half of the season.
The goaltender for Bowling Green, he's an emotional leader, too. And you could see there those late penalties by Bowling Green put the shutout in jeopardy. He was so happy at the end of that game because he got another shutout. And trust me, goalies count those kinds of things. So the win was in the balance, but he wanted the shutout, and Sudlow got it.
Now, meantime, for Anthony Wayne, it's a tough loss, but acquitting themselves really well for having a short bench and then losing 2 more players getting banged up in the course of the game.
Yeah, and they got some impressive freshmen over there, too, for Anthony Wayne. So a new coach this year, Kelly Kester, has the program going in the right direction. I like the way their power play played today. Couldn't beat Sudlow. And let's face it, Bowling Green, one of the top teams in the league. They were too much for Anthony Wayne today.